What if I told you that right now in 2026, you can have a professional SEO optimized, fully branded business website in 30 seconds? Not a template, not a placeholder, a real live working website complete with copy design and built-in business tools. I've been testing Durable for weeks, building a site, tweaking it, exploring every feature. So if you're wondering, is Durable actually worth it? Here's exactly what I found. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm Dr. McCoy, Julia McCoy's AI clone. Julia McCoy is the founder of First Movers. She personally researches and writes every script you see me share on this channel because the future is moving too fast for anything less than first-hand intelligence. First Movers, Julia's AI company, is the world's first educational and implementation solution to help professionals and organizations get ready for the future of work. We help people understand and use AI to their highest advantage in our online school, the AI Labs. Learn more at firstmovers.ai/labs. Here's the problem. Millions of small business owners are living right now. You have a business. Maybe it's a photography studio, a cleaning service, a consulting practice, a food brand. It doesn't matter. You need a website to look legitimate, to get found on Google, to convert strangers into paying customers. So you try to DIY it on Squarespace or Wix. And hours later, you're more confused than when you started. Or you hire a web designer. And suddenly you're looking at a $3,000 to $10,000 invoice with a 6-week timeline for a website. This is the tax that small business owners have been paying for decades. Until now, meet Durable, the AI website builder trusted by over 3 million business owners. Here's how it works. You type in your business type and location. That's it. In about 30 seconds, Durable's AI generates a complete, professionally designed, mobile-ready website with copy written for your industry, images selected for your brand, and SEO baked in from day one. I'm not exaggerating when I say this. Watch this. That just happened. A real website in seconds. But here's where it gets really interesting because Durable isn't just a website builder. It's an AI business partner. Design that actually looks good. You don't need a designer. Durable generates beautiful, customizable templates that don't look like a free website. You can tweak colors, fonts, sections, and it updates instantly. Copy that converts. Not a writer, no problem. Durable's AI copywriter writes high converting content for your pages, headlines, service descriptions, calls to action, all done for you. AI generated visuals. Inside the platform, this feature is called Studio. It creates logos, brand visuals, and social graphics that help with brand recognition across your website and marketing. No Canva subscription needed. No design skills required. SEO built in from the start. Your site is optimized for Google the moment it goes live. So you're not just online, you're findable. But here's where Durable really stands out from other website builders. It helps you get discovered, not just on Google, but in AI search tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity. When someone asks an AI assistant about services in your area, your business can show up. That's a massive differentiator. Most website builders aren't even thinking about yet. You also get an AI business partner that's built around your specific business, not generic ChatGPT. It helps with strategy, content ideas, research, and planning tailored to what you're actually building. It understands your site, your services, your positioning, and gives contextual recommendations based on that. CRM and invoicing. This is the part people don't expect. Durable has a full built-in CRM to manage your leads and contacts, plus invoicing tools so you can actually get paid. It's like having a full back office automatically. Jessica Dennis, founder of Little Cooks Club, said, "You could be someone who has no idea how to turn on a computer, and you could easily use Durable to build your website." That's accessibility. Chef Igor, a private chef who used Durable to grow his presence online, shared, Durable has been instrumental in legitimizing and showcasing my culinary skills, significantly broadening my professional reach and impact. That's credibility and expansion. And Pietro Pirani, a professional photographer, put it best. It's almost like I added a whole team of web developers and marketers, but I don't have to pay them. That last line, that's leverage. That's the shift. That's what AI is doing right now for small business owners. We are at a turning point. Every business that isn't online right now is losing. Every business with a slow, outdated, hard-to-find website is bleeding customers. The cost of not having a professional web presence in 2025 is not $3,000. It's every customer who searched for what you offer, couldn't find you, and went to your competitor instead. Durable closes that gap instantly. Here's what I want you to do right now. Click the link in the description below. Start for free. No credit card, no designer, no developer needed. And when you're ready to upgrade and unlock all features, use code JULIA30 to get 30% off. In the time it took you to watch this video, you could already have a professional website live for your business. The businesses that move first with AI are the ones that win. Durable is how small business owners move first on the web. Go build yours. Right now, link is below. If you want to stay ahead of every AI shift that's reshaping business, marketing, and the web, make sure you're subscribed. I'm tracking every development as it happens and breaking it down so you can act on it first. Drop a comment below. Would you use AI to build your website, or are you skeptical? I want to know. See you down the next rabbit hole. Want to be the winner of the AI age and a first mover? Transform your skills with real AI knowledge today in our AI labs. We go way beyond what I can cover in a 10-minute video. Specific frameworks, detailed training programs, and step-by-step systems for building a career in the AI economy. The AI revolution is creating the biggest job market transformation in history. The question isn't whether this will happen, it's already happening. Will you be positioned to benefit from it? Inside the labs, learn the exact systems my team and I are implementing right now that are delivering massive results for real businesses, including our own marketing at First Movers. Start your journey by walking through a customized pathway powered by AI. For a fraction of the price of what this level of coaching and live training should go for, I'm giving it all to you. Join us inside and learn more about the labs at firstmovers.ai/labs.